Good day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Jamaican Insider. I hope you're doing well. In this one, we're going to explore Balvenie Heights here in Manchester. Right now, I'm on Balvini Drive. So the roads here are not the best, but Balvenie is one of the most desirable communities to live in all of Manchester. So looking forward to see some nice houses. So relax and enjoy. I must say it's not just the nice houses that Balvenie has to offer. It's relatively close to the center of Mandeville with all the shopping and restaurants. So that makes it very attractive. So here we are in Manchester. As we can see, there are some nice houses here. And some persons would say that living in the quote unquote country is boring and it lacks luxury. Of course, these houses are showing or proving otherwise. Well, let me ask you, if you could choose to live in Kingston or here in Manchester, which would you choose? Let me know in the comment section below, and please give a reason for your answer, whether you would live or you would choose to live in Manchester or Kingston. And here we have the Open Bible Church. It's amazing. No matter where in Jamaica I go, I must see at least one or two churches. No matter what community, what parish, I have to see at least two churches. Does anyone have any reason why that is? Well, I would love to hear from you. What are your views on that? Having so many churches in Jamaica. Man, these roads here by Eve Close. I wish I could explore it some more, but these roads are too terrible. I have to turn back. And so we are coming to the end of another video. In this one, of course, we toured Balvenie Heights, specifically Balvenie Drive. We also glimpsed Sunrise Crescent and Trihinium Close, Bougainvillea Close, Mimosa Close. So many. And of course, we can't forget Eve Close with some interesting roads, I may say. Hopetown Close as well. Many close, eh? And of course, we ended with Balvenie Close on the right just now. Hope you will enjoy this one. Thank you so much for sticking and staying with me. If you're from Balvenie or anywhere here in Manchester, let us know or let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for sticking and staying with me. Have a good one.